Hey guys, Bobby Johnson here with Studio Blue Creative. I am here today to tell you how to log into the back of Joomla. Joomla is your framework that typically you will use to build the sites. So let's get started. If you want to go to the URL and follow along, you already have a login for the administrator area, and that's how you get there. studiobluecreative.com/administrator. Okay, here's the key. You have to have a username and password to log in. So I have one saved. You just type your username, type your password, log in. Nothing to that, right? Okay. Your main area, sales folks, is going to be Projectfork, which is right here. Okay, Projectfork is kind of your office away from your office. Okay, it's got every project that we do. This is mine. I'm the super admin, so I can see everything. Let's use HCI Supply for example. Well, actually, let's go down here and use Practice Project. Okay. So here's your dashboard. It's got your dates on it for the week. Okay. Tasks are what you would assign to a developer. Files are how you upload files to this project. Okay, as long as you have the project selected here, you can upload new files into a safe area, assign a task associated with the file, like for instance, you upload a new picture, you create a task for Cotton, which is me, to insert that image into a new article. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. We'll click new file. We'll go to browse, just like you would on any other interface. We'll just pick a random image here. We'll upload that. Okay, give it a description. Blue pattern. Okay. Now, if I don't have a task set, I can't select one here. But if I already had done the task, I could select one here. Okay. Now, all you do is click Save. That uploads. Alright. It works pretty quickly. As soon as that's finished, it'll tell you it's finished. So don't check away from that. Alright. And now there's your new image. Blue pattern. Uploaded today on the 7th. Now let's go to the project tasks and let's create a new task. Okay. First of all, the first thing you do is you go over here and you find a responsible person, which is me. And then you say add blue pattern to contact page. Okay, that's a little crazy, but that's all right. Currently, the task is not complete. Okay, priority. I really recommend that you just leave that alone. A lot of the Salesforce wants to set everything to very high. I'll be honest with you. When I see very high, I glance at it, and if I think that is kind of out of bounds, it gets put in the pile just like everything else. So unless there's a major faux pas or a major emergency, just leave priority alone or set it to medium. Deadlines, I need to know if there's a deadline. So do the other developers. So in other words, if you're going into a meeting with a client and you have a deadline, so tomorrow if you're going into a meeting, today I need to make this change. Okay, I don't need to make it 10 minutes before you're going into the meeting. I can do it, but I don't need to. All right, so set a deadline. Set the deadline for, at least 12 hours, something like that. And then, give us a little time. And then click save. All right, you can type a description down here or whatever you need to do. That's uploaded. And if you notice right here, this is my Thunderbird email. Cotton, add blue pattern to contact page. Okay, I get an email, or the developer gets an email for that. All right. Okay, and that's it for this series of Projectfork.